Hey guys, Endorphia, and today we'll be playing the Odd Survey on Where the Awesome Creepypats. Let's see. I have played this before, so I'm just going to show you guys some endings I have encountered. Alright, here we go. So first ending is going to be this one. I'm going to hit yes. It doesn't matter which one you choose to end up to the same ending. I'm going to hit no. Okay. Beware. Beware. So that is the window ending. Okay. Next ending is when you unplug it. Probably go to sleep, but yeah. Next ending I found was this one. One hit no. Anyway, if you're enjoying my videos, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button. I don't know why my bedroom's in the attic though, that's just weird. Next one I found was the spider ending. So I went here and then found this note. No, realize that. Ignore that. Tap the spider. And you're stuck, but yeah. Okay, next ending. Turn off. Unplug. The door. Go out. You want to go to the door down here. Open it. Door. He creepily laughs, and then you want to open this one. And you want to click this button. Creepy animatronic sound. grab the hammer. Crouch. Okay. And get stopped. It's going to go. And then boom. Yes, we continued. Well, that's all the endings I have encountered yet. If there are more, I will let you